Hello and welcome to another update video about ETHBTC. I just wanted to explain my wave count again for ETHBTC. Whenever I make these videos, I sometimes get questions, what's the purpose of this? First of all, ETHBTC is a trading pair, so people can trade it. But it's also, in my opinion, worth looking at it, at least to have it on the radar in terms of, to understand which of these is going to outperform the other one, right? So is ETH going to outperform Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin going to outperform Ethereum? That's the main purpose of it. And that can, of course, be used, that information, for, portfolio management. Some people might want to scale down on ETH at some point, might want to add some more BTC instead, but I would always be careful with that because diversification is always important as well. Now, looking at this, first of all, we always need to know with these BTC charts, I think all of them are moving only in three-wave structures, which makes them just less reliable. That's just something we need to understand. As far as I'm aware, all BTC charts are moving in three-wave structures, which means they did top in three waves, like this one as well. However, this is just what they do. Okay, it's just what they do. We still, because of the move up, I'm counting this move up as a wave one, and since then we haven't made a new low. So my primary count here is the move up into 2017 was a wave one, which means Ethereum over Bitcoin is in an uptrend, which means it should outperform Bitcoin in the long run. Now, it's very early days on this chart, as you can see, and since then it hasn't really made a new high. The projection would show it will, however, in the next, possibly the next bull run, could give us a third wave up, because this was a wave one, bottomed in a wave two in 2019 in a bear market, and since then has been moving up and could really do a third wave next. Okay, but that can be years out. We'll see. Obviously, because the wave one is an ABC structure as part of a diagonal, over a larger diagonal, the wave 3 also needs to be an ABC structure, and we're currently moving up in an A wave. The A wave, however, would likely be a 5-wave move. So zooming in, best count I can give you is the idea that of this 2019 low, ETHBTC moved up in a wave 1, came down in a wave 2, moved up in a third wave, down in a fourth wave, and is now moving up in a fifth wave. Also here, that A wave is a diagonal. I know it's messiness, but that is what it does. It's pure whipsaw here, up and down, but still we can identify some kind of a structure. In this fifth wave, then also an A, B, C structure, and for many weeks we've been waiting for this to turn down, and it might be doing it finally. So it's basically now in a B wave of wave 5 of A. So in this B wave, we ideally get into this region between 0.047 and 0.06. The idea is in this B wave, and I will go now to the daily chart. We have more detail on the chart. In this B wave, we are forming a W, done. Wave X was a triangle in A, B, C, D, E, and it's now coming down in a Y wave. Now, it seems like in this Y wave, which is a 3-wave move, an A wave, quite impulsive, was already done. The B wave topped here, and we can discuss, okay, did the B wave top here or here? Doesn't matter so much in the short term. And certainly the C wave to the downside would be unfolding now. Now, looking at targets. Obviously, I defined that support area for you, but also we can be a bit more specific. I could say, okay, that we take the length of the wave W, go to the high of the X wave. The 1-to-1 ratio, 100% extension, would take it to 0.057. That's the likely target, and the 1.618 extension at 0.047. Okay, so these are certainly levels to watch. And at the moment, to me, it looks as if this is now the third wave down of the C wave. But it needs to take out the previous swing low, the wave 1 low, which bottomed here at 0.064. Okay, and then at some point, so this is most likely as per the current wave count, and as long as price, or as long as price stays below 0.07, this wave count is valid. So as long as the last swing high isn't taken out, the downtrend should continue, but it needs to confirm that by breaking below the wave 1 low. And then next support is likely down here around 0.062 and then 0.06. So that means practically that Ethereum is probably going to underperform over Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is going to outperform Ethereum over the next few days and weeks. Been talking about that for a while now, and again last week pointed it out again, especially on Telegram and Discord in the membership community. This is playing out now. We see it in the charts, just looking at the USD charts. Ethereum on the USD charts much weaker than Bitcoin at the moment, yeah. And this is the explanation. It's just in a downtrend. It's set to continue probably in the next few weeks, but then at some point, if this wave count is correct, should turn to the upside, yeah, and should then outperform Bitcoin again. So this is going to be interesting. So it's going to be a bit of up and down, but as this shows, in the second half of the year and maybe into 2024, we should see an uptrend here and ETH should be catching up. All right, that's my update about ETHBTC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.